Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. Today we will learn the Sunnah and manners of eating. Kids, before we eat, it's a Sunnah to wash our hands properly. Bismillah wa ala barakatillah. Alhamdulillah. Oh Allah, thank you so much. Dear kids, from today, let's all make the intention to eat in the Sunnah way. Kids and parents, to learn more beautiful Islamic manners and values, follow our videos and join us at Madani Islamic Academy. Contact us now +44 7480 676 283. Visit our website www.MadaniIslamicAcademy.com. Subscribe to our channel for more animated learning. And for admissions and updates, visit our website or call us.